Another day, another dollar. What's up, guys? So today we're gonna be trading CPI. Um, I said last in my last video that I'm gonna be vlogging this week, but I haven't seen any trades yesterday or on Monday. Today is Wednesday. We have CPI in 5 minutes, and I'm gonna be selling CPI, and we'll see what happens. Maybe we can recover from last week. And I'm gonna screen record the trade for y'all. So I'm gonna see y'all after CPI. So as you can see, um, gold initially bought for CPI and now it's selling. So made a loss today, but yeah, it's not that crazy of a loss. When I trade these, I don't have expectations, so it's not doesn't affect me that much. So I think I'll update you on once I enter a trade, if I enter a trade this week. But I was looking at this sell and I thought it was a good one, but I didn't enter because we have CPI right here. The analysis of the trade is we, we swept previous liquidity. The analysis of the trade is we swept this previous liquidity, and then in the 5 minutes we we were testing in this area. There's no fair value gap. You could say this is an order block, right? So we were testing this area with a broke structure to the downside here. So we're looking for this. So we're waiting for structure to retest to this area where we would want to enter. So that would be here, targeting these lows, this liquidity, or enter on the second retest. But because of CPI, that would have been a risky trade, so that's why I didn't take the trade. But now CPI is selling off, or it's not CPI anymore. Market is selling off, and I don't think I'll be entering a trade today. So I'll update you guys later. Alright, so took a sell on gold this morning around 11 o'clock. So I don't know how far the trade is, if the trade is profitable, or if it hit stop loss. But right now it's 10 minutes to 4, so I'm gonna check that trade together right now. Okay, so it looks like gold hit stop loss because I entered the trade around here, put stop loss above this this high right here. Yeah, we hit stop loss. So the analysis of the trade goes like this. So the analysis of the trade is swept liquidity up here, we broke structure, and then we have a fair value gap, this fair value gap, which are true. And yet again, I thought we didn't need to come back to this fair value gap, and so I entered right here. Mm. And what the market do? Tested the fair value gap. I thought we would not need to test. Um, Now market is selling, push down. My bias was not wrong. Again, the bias was not wrong. Wrong. Let me just failed on the execution part. But yeah, I'm proud that my class is right. Hitting stop loss is not that big of a deal anymore. So what should have happened? What I should have done is waited for the market to come up here. But the reason I took this trade was because to me it looked like we were sweeping this liquidity while testing this fair value gap, and we were testing structure in the 5 minutes that was created right here from this order block because we had just swept liquidity. We have an order block, and so we're testing into the order block, and I entered right, I think here. Yeah, this is where I entered. I can't just enter off of this fair value gap, but if I would have entered, I would be really profitable now. This is 35 pips, or 30 pips, and I was targeting these lows right here. Perhaps I can still catch the trade. Um, I don't think I can still catch the trade. Liquidity sweep, come back into equilibrium, fair value gap, push down. We'll see. Maybe I can catch the trade, but I'll update you guys later. I just put in an order, a sell limit at the top of this fair value gap. The stop loss 2461. So right around there, targeting this liquidity. So I'll up. Okay, so reason being, we have a fair value gap in the entry after the hourly, and the fair value gap is in equilibrium, and I put the order at the top of that fair value gap. So I'll update you guys that goes to any trade, or I'll update you guys later. Alright guys, so update. Right now it's Friday, it's almost 12 o'clock, Friday night. So our trade hit stop loss, and I tried entering afterwards again, and then you can see gold bought. I think I sold, should be around here, right? Put stop loss somewhere around here, targeting these lows, traded stop loss. Again, I entered around here, targeting the same lows. Gold just rallied up, rallied up, rallied upwards. So, quick analysis of what happened in the daily. We have this fair value gap. I thought about this before I entered those cells, but I thought the 4 hour liquidity sweep right here was good enough reason for us to sell. But we retraced into this fair value gap and kept on pushing. Gold has bullish momentum right now, so I was wrong. I thought we didn't need to fill this fair value gap like that. So it's a learning experience. Trading is about having experience more than making profits. To make profits, you need experience. So I'm taking that as a learning opportunity and not implement it next time I see something similar. So we have this fair value gap. We fell into it. And then in the smaller time frame, we have a liquidity sweep. Right here, we sweep, and then in the 15-minute, we break structure over here, we break structure, and then we come back to retest where we broke structure. You could say um, order block, not really equilibrium. We can draw, yeah, didn't go back into equilibrium. An order block or this fair value gap. So no, this is not a fair value gap. Well, it is. It's very small. Didn't even test it. But yeah, came back essentially to test where we broke structure, and this would be a good place to enter this in the smaller time frame. 5 minute, 1 minute is another liquidity sweep. So we enter here, target these highs, or yeah, best would be to target those highs. There's no previous, there's no price history to target, so we're in all-time highs. Yeah, so that was the trade that I did not see today, that went in the opposite way of my bias, but it's all experience, gaining experience, and soon we will be profitable. So another losing week, no profits this week. We're gonna continue trading next week, even though I don't have a lot of money. Gonna flog it as well. My goal is still to make enough money to then start a Propfirm challenge and then pass that Propfirm challenge. So yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.